based in the archipelago nation, deeply cultivating the local market. To serve the Philippine market, GAC's localization strategy is upgraded and set sail. Adapting to change, GAC establishes a self-operated company to take over the Philippine market, comprehensively optimizing management to improve the quality and timeliness of part supply. Using Batangas Port as the core hub, supplemented by pre-positioning points covering key areas like Luzon, to build a more agile and reliable supply network, achieving a 30% improvement in customs clearance efficiency. Introducing an advanced WMS to achieve precise and visual inventory management, increasing space utilization by 50% and inventory accuracy to 99.8%. Standardized workflows guarantee accurate and efficient order delivery, improving order processing efficiency by 40%. Stocking a full range of genuine parts, precisely matching local vehicle needs, with a parts coverage rate of over 95%, ensuring supply quality and stability from the source. Leveraging the local warehouse network, we significantly improve delivery efficiency, with emergency orders responded to within 4 hours, especially for core markets like Luzon, providing more precise time commitments. Offering timely technical consultation and training, not just providing parts but also transferring knowledge to empower partner growth. Cultivating local teams, rooting in the Philippine market. With closer cooperation, we explore the future together with dealer partners. GAC Philippines Parts Center, always mindful of customer needs, leading with professional service, safeguarding your trust.